Okay, I will give you questions. What materials? Okay, get ready with your book and start writing the questions. What materials will you mainly use for building a multi-storied house? So the question is, what materials will you use to build a multi-storied house? Okay, so I will give you the options. So the option A is mortar, called cement, bricks, then second one, cement, bricks, cotton, iron. Third one, iron, cement, mortar, bricks. So three options are there, and you want to choose the option that which materials will be used to make a multi-storied house.
Teacher, option A.
Option A.
Option 1. Yes, teacher.
Option A में कॉल है, so you will use कॉल to make a multi-storied house.
Option C.
Option C is the correct answer. Okay, so we need iron, cement, mortar, bricks. Okay, so C is the correct answer. Now second question. Okay, second question. Arrange the following considerations. Arrange the following considerations from the most to least important in house building. तो अगर एक हाउस बिल्ड करना है तो हम लोग नीचे दिए हुए ऑप्शन में से किसको मीन्स ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देंगे. ओके, सो द ऑप्शंस luxury, next option structure, third option is climate. Okay, so when you build a house, to which you have to write importance किसको ज्यादा देंगे उसके हिसाब से you have to arrange it. पहले किसको importance देंगे, then to which criteria you will give.
Climate.
Okay, first is climate. Okay, so first is climate. Climate will come first. Then
structure.
Structure, very good. Then luxury, yes, very good. So according to this, we will give importance. First, we'll give importance to climate. Then we'll give importance to structure. After that, we'll give importance to lecturing. Okay. Now, okay, next question. What are the types of pollution that can be observed at a construction site? What are the types of pollution that can be observed at a construction site? अगर किधर कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है तो वो कंस्ट्रक्शन के जगह से what type of pollution can be happen? क्या क्या पोल्यूशन हो सकता है कंस्ट्रक्शन से?
Air pollution, water pollution.
Air pollution, water pollution, okay. Then और क्या हो सकता है? Air pollution is correct. Yes, Bhavya, any guess? Yes.
The sound pollution.
Sound pollution. Okay, air pollution, sound pollution, or else you can write it as noise pollution also. There is a chance of water pollution also. Yes, yes, Bhavya.
Water pollution.
Water pollution. Okay, main chances are for air pollution and sound pollution, and there is a chance for water pollution also. Okay. Okay. Now, fourth question. Which of the gadgets in the house, can be run on solar energy? Which of the gadgets in the house can be run on solar energy? Solar energy use करके हम कौन सा instruments use कर सकते हैं with the help of solar energy?
Solar cooker and electricity.
Yeah, but
Yes, yes.
solar.
Electricity.
Yes.
Solar cooker and electricity.
Yes, solar cooker.
Solar cooker and electricity.
Solar cooker, then
Electricity.
Electricity is with the help of this solar energy, we are producing electricity. Okay. So, which are the gadgets? Which instruments we can run using solar energy?
It's a light.
Huh?
It's a light.
Light. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Light. Very good. Then
TV.
TV. Solar TV is there.
No.
Have you seen some calculator which works when solar light will fall on them, or in the presence of solar light? Some calculators are there which work. Have you seen?
No, teacher.
Okay. Have you heard about solar car? It is not in India, I think so. Solar cars are there.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then even power bank. Do you know what are power banks?
Battery.
Huh?
Teacher, battery.
Battery.
Batteries.
Okay, generator. Generator. Then power bank. Then heaters, water heater. It is nowadays common in all the buildings. Solar water heater. Have you heard?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, solar water heater. So these are the some gadgets which we can run with the help of solar energy. Okay. Now, so these 4 questions have you written? Shall I
Yes,
rub
teacher.
it? Shall I rub?
Yes. Yes.
Bhavya, is it over? Okay. So, next question. Which are the 2 methods of farming? Which are the 2 methods of farming? Yes, who will answer?
Teacher, modern method and traditional method.
Yes, modern method and traditional method. Okay. Or you can also you can answer like in this way, like organic farming and organic farming. See, modern method and agriculture method. There are 2 types of agricultural methods, modern and traditional. 2 types of farming, they are organic farming and inorganic farming. Okay, organic farming and inorganic farming. Is it clear?
Yes.
So if they are asking about different types of agricultural methods, then you can mention as modern agricultural method and traditional agricultural method. If the question is about 2 methods of farming, you should write organic farming and inorganic farming. Okay, organic farming. What is the difference between organic and inorganic farming?
Organic farming means traditional farming. Inorganic farming means modern farming.
Okay, so how it is differ from each other? In organic farming, what is used?
In organic farming, we use tools and we use ox.
Okay, means we used only natural sources for organic farming. Okay, now next question. Next question. Which are the modern methods of irrigation? Which are the modern methods of irrigation?
Teacher, there are the 2 types of irrigation. One is drip irrigation, second is modern irrigation.
Modern irrigation,
Teacher, sprinkle irrigation and drip irrigation.
sprinkle irrigation and
Drip irrigation.
yes. Yes, Bhavya, can you answer? Which are the modern methods of irrigation? So the modern methods of irrigation are drip irrigation and sprinkle irrigation. So can you explain what are the benefits of these type of irrigations?
In this irrigation, the water were are saving, not wasting.
Yes, we can prevent the wastage of water. Okay, how much water is required by the plants, that much only be used. Okay, so we can avoid the wastage of water. Okay, now next question. What are the reasons? What are the reasons due to which growing crops are damaged? What are the reasons due to which growing crops are damaged?
Because the microorganisms and many fungus are there. They
Okay.
were in the grains and they stopped to grow the grain and they damage the crops.
So what these microorganisms will do?
Microorganisms and fungus in the were in the crops. They were damaged because they were
Okay, so one is microorganisms. They will cause diseases. Okay, because of these diseases, the growing crops will damage. Any other reason? Only
the
microorganisms.
season changes. The season and the season changes.
Seasonal
Yes.
changes. Okay, then like any other living organisms will attack
The animals. Animals will attack.
Okay, then why we are spraying pesticides?
For the fungus.
For avoid pest attack. Okay, so diseases and pest attack, due to the diseases and pest attack. Okay, you can write these are the main reasons, major reasons. Diseases and pest attacks. Due to diseases and pest attacks, growing crops are damaged. Okay. Now, fourth question. Is it over? Third one?
No, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher, please.
Okay, write down this next question. What is done to avoid the damage to crops? What is done to avoid the damage to crops? See, now we understood how the crops are damaged. Okay, now what can we do to avoid the damage to crops? What can we do?
We will pesticides
Yes,
the crop with
yes,
chemicals.
yes. So we can spray pesticides, not only pesticides, we can spray insecticides also. Okay, we can spray pesticides, insecticides, and there are some chemicals that we can directly rub on the seeds. Okay, before sowing the seeds, we can rub the seeds with certain chemicals. rub the seeds with certain chemicals. Okay, so pesticides, insecticides, then also we can rub the seeds with certain chemicals. And when we have to rub it? Before sowing. Before sowing. These are the some methods.
Teacher, finish.
Okay, now write down this, match the following. So column A, first one, grain stored in a damp place. Second one, grain stored in a dry place. Third, adding proper chemicals to the grain. Adding proper chemicals to the grain. Now, B, A, fungus attack. B, prevents growth of fungus on the on the grain. Then C, prevent insect infection.
Finish.
Okay, so how can we match it?
Teacher, we write the one dash A.
See, first question, grain stored in a damp place.
टीचर हम लोग कुछ वो नंबर के साथ कुछ जो लेटर है वो मिला सकते हैं.
हाँ. So tell me the answer. Grain stored in a damp place. Which is the correct matchup for this?
Fungus attack.
Yes, fungus attack. Fungus attack is the correct matchup. Then grain stored in dry place.
Prevent insect infection.
Grain stored in dry place, actually it prevent growth of fungus on the grain. Okay. And adding proper chemicals to the grain, we can match it with prevent insect infection. Okay, क्योंकि जब मॉइस्ट प्लेस में रखते, गीला हुआ प्लेस में रखते, सो फंगस अटैक होता है. So if we keep it in dry place, we can prevent growth of fungus. Okay, so the best match for second question is prevent growth of fungus on the grain. Okay, and third, adding proper chemicals, it prevent insect infection. Is it clear? Any doubt?
No.
Okay, so these questions are over.
Yes.
Okay, so shall I rub it? Yes, Bhavya, is it over? Okay, now I will give you some fill-ups. Okay, so first, we get food from dash. First, write down these questions, then we will discuss. Okay, we get food from dash. Second question, about dash of the land, about dash of the land of our country, is used for agriculture. Agriculture. Okay, about dash of the land of our country is used for agriculture. Third, the agricultural season from June to October is called the dash season. Fourth, the agricultural season from October to March is called the dash season. Next, the crops grown from March to June are called dash crops. Sixth question. Every farmer wishes to get a good dash. Every farmer wishes to get a good dash. Seventh question. in the traditional methods of agriculture, plowing was carried out with the help of dash. A dash driven with the help of oxen was used to draw water from the well. First write this 8 questions, then we'll discuss, then we'll continue with remaining questions. Do you have any paper pattern?
नो टीचर,
No.
रिटर्न का मिलने वाला है.
Paper pattern मिलने वाला है.
यस टीचर, रिटर्न का मिलने वाला है.
Okay.
ओरल का नहीं मिला.
ओरल का नहीं मिला. ओके, ओरल में क्या डिक्टेशन पूछते, स्पेलिंग्स पूछते?
टीचर क्वेश्चन आंसर फिल अप और कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं.
ओके ओके. So, did you download Smart India app?
यस टीचर.
So, are you getting notifications of the class?
नो टीचर.
No. Okay. Overwriting?
टीचर.
Okay, once it is over, just raise your hand. Okay, Bhavya, are you there? Okay, so first question, we get food from?
टीचर ग्रेन्स.
Grains. Only from grains? What we can commonly call them?
एग्रीकल्चर.
We get food from? See, which is the main component in a food chain? Which is the main source of all the food chain? Yes, Ali Hassan. Yes, come on. we get food from? From where do we get food?
From crops.
Crops, or we can write it as plants. Plant is the correct answer, isn't it? Okay, so we get food from plants. We get all kind of food from plants. Okay, so from the crops we will get grains only. Clear? So the answer is plants. Now, about dash of the land of our country is used for agriculture. How much percentage of the land of our country is used for agriculture?
The 20%.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes, teacher.
It's not 60%.